Hello, guys, and welcome to another wonderful session with Coach Joe. And in this session, I'm just gonna wish you guys Merry Christmas 2023 and a prosperous New Year forthcoming. I hope you guys are celebrating. And in the spirit of the Christmas, I thought I was gonna share my views on gold because it's very obvious that once the Christmas period is over, as traders, we are we are getting back to the chat, guys. So, in the spirit of the holidays, don't forget to enjoy your time with your family. And of course, while you're watching this, just have your mind prepared for the new week trading activities, which should commence between tomorrow and next tomorrow. Obviously, tomorrow is my best bet. So, guys, while the introduction is over, I would like you guys to subscribe, of course, and like my videos, because I noticed that 90% of my viewers don't really subscribe to my videos, because we would have gone all the way up to at least 500 subs or at least the 1000 subscribers by now. And don't forget, guys, the giveaway is going to come when we hit that 1k subscribers. So guys, you those guys don't want to miss out, because I'll be giving out free prop firms for you guys. And help me, guys, help me so we can achieve this all together. That out the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment what kind of trades you want me to be looking at in the coming weeks. So on my chart, guys, displayed on my chart, we have the gold, of course, the gold price. And from the last time I did my analysis, I was expecting price to drop, but last trading week, we had a bullish run that I could not capitalize on. I actually capitalized on the Aussie dollar pair, which I'm going to be sharing my views on also, because I was looking to short Aussie dollar and of course gold, but I'm a kind of trader that even if my analysis, I'm not trying to be super correct or any kind of thing like that. I'm just trying to observe and of course react when the market acts, So of course the market gave us a buy trend on Aussie USD, and I was so glad I was able to take that trade and made my Christmas present. That's what I would say, guys. So on gold, I like to start with a clear chart so you guys can know why and how I go about my process. And from the way I do it is a top-down analysis, a multi-time frame analysis, which I like to spot out from the weekly time frame, the resistance and the support of any given asset. So this asset, of course, is gold, like I said earlier, and this is the weekly resistance on gold. This is the weekly support on gold. So guys, we have a mid support on gold that has been yet to be tested, guys. So if you look on around the 1,806.35 cents dollar mark, you see that gold is yet to break through or test that support level. So it's why I was looking for sales through last week. And of course, with that level not being broken or tested, it's more likely, it's very high probability for gold to, of course, retrace down to that level. So in previous years, this is 2020 action, as of August, gold had failed to break through this high. As of March 2022, gold also failed to break through this high. So this high was created May 2023, and gold managed to plumb to the upside, but then closed on the same weekly chart with kind of a bearish hammer. So that shows that price momentum could be kicking down also. Sorry guys, could be kicking down to this 1,806.35 cent dollar mark to test this support, and then maybe from there we could go higher, of course, plumb to the downside. It's all about observing what price will do. But in the case where price do not give us the scenario to the downside, of course, you guys know me, I'm going to be taking the other side of the trades. I'm not going to be sticking to one bias. I'm always open to trading, not against my analysis, but trading with the trend. So although we have a bearish trend or bullish trend that may push or plumb to the upside, because we also have a bearish mindset or bearish bias, because we are in a resistance zone. And from the simple basics of forex, you know that trading the resistance will lead to sales, and you buy off the support. So you trade the ceiling, you trade the highs for a sell, and you trade the lows for a buy, because you always want to sell your stuff when it's more expensive, and you always want to buy your stuff when it's at a very, very low discount price. So from the weekly, that has been said. We need to get down to the daily, just the way I do it. And guys, this is just one of the trades I called. You can also check, like I said, I'll review the Aussie dollar pair very soon. So I would like you to, of course, go and check that video out right after you look this, because here I'm going to be analyzing both gold and DXY. So you guys stick with me, guys. From here, we also understand that it's all about picking the most possible trend line we can find on the daily, which will lead us of course to the hourly time frame. So from here, this is my trend line support on gold, and this is going to be a simple thing for me, because I don't like to draw through the resistance. I like to pick the support and then copy and paste, of course, so that we are looking to take profit or maybe take a sell from that zone. So if price gets to the gold resistance, this will make it a very, very high probability trade, where is a resistance on a resistance trade. Resistance, when I mean resistance on resistance, I mean resistance from the past previous high and resistance from the trend line. So that will push price at least to any of these levels. Maybe price could get to 2002, or 2002, or plumb all the way to 108, okay, $1,805 mark. So you could see price get to any of these levels if price should respect again this resistance on resistance, the resistance from the higher time frame, and the resistance from the trend line, of course. So that's the bias for the sell. Let's go deeper, because now we have our trend line set on gold. You need to get to the 4-hour time frame, which is of course one of the time frames I look to capitalize on based off candlestick patterns alone. So what I'm looking for in the 4-hour time frame is solely candlestick patterns around here that will legit tell me that price is ready to drop off. So if you understand me, guys, you should know that I'm going to be looking for more trend line support and more trend line resistance, because in as much as you are looking for sell, this is a 4-hour time frame, and if price is going to be pushing from this level, let's say it's going to be respecting this level, then there's all possibility that it could be coming to, of course, this resistance, and then we could be expecting more price action that will either hit to the downside, or price will continue in the bullish run. So if it gets to this resistance and then plumps to the downside, of course, it's a high probability trade. But if this resistance is broken, then of course price is not only going to be plumbing to the upside, but will be looking to break through this other resistance, which is kind of the immediate one. So it's a really good call, guys. You guys should watch out for gold in the coming weeks. And as I've said before, I just want to draw only this trend line support, and of course I'll be going through with copying or cloning and then putting that right up the top. So this resistance is missed. So of course this could just be a price action that is trying to trap sellers and then hit us to the upside. And with that in mind, we get to the 1-hour time frame, guys. No candlestick ready for us here, because price is not actually in our sell zone. So it's more like sticking with the buys until it gets to the sell zone. So if price is going to be dropping, we need price to of course give us a clear drop. So again, more trend line, guys. Trend line is more of a guide more than a sole standalone trading confluence. It's more of a guide. So the more trend lines I am able to see, I'm able to spot, I like to regard the trade more, because if I can see different trends in trends, like different trend lines that is going to be pushing my bias to the max, then I'm going to be taking that trade. So if gold is going to be plumbing to the upside, like I said initially, we need to see price, of course, sell off from here, because it has broken through the trend line and giving us this kind of retest, if you like, on a 1 hour time frame. It's more like a scalp trade, which I'll not really advise you guys to take, because scalping can always go wrong, especially when we are trading kind of against the overall trend, which for now the overall trend remains a buy. It's just more of a little sell-off that will increase the buy momentum straight up to our resistance zone. Don't forget, guys, our resistance zone is around 2028 and 2092. So you guys need to 2078, sorry, and 2092. So you guys need to watch out for these two zones. That's the resistance of the daily trend line and the resistance of the weekly top, guys. So it's something you guys should watch out for. In terms of take profit, in case we are going to be watching these sales, I would not like to take these sales to the downside. I would like to look for, of course, a buying opportunity, which will now lead me to the 30-minute time frame, guys. I'd like to look for a buying opportunity, which will lead me to the 30-minute time frame. So, from the 30-minute time frame, if price is going to be selling off from there, this is like the double bottom that started the whole trend. So, if price should be selling off from this level, you should be looking to capitalize on this level, at least between this trading zone. You should maybe hit and then get us down here. So if this sell should hold, and mind you guys, look where I'm trying to sell from. I'm not trying to sell from where price is right now. I'm looking for price to give us a little bit of retest and do not break this high, because if it does break this high, then it becomes a double bottom, guys. I'll be shooting up to the upside. But if price fails to break this resistance zone, that means, of course, we are still in a resisting trend, and that will push price all the way from 2056 down to 1996, and then we can look for more buy. Why I'm looking at price to get down here is because from a 30-minute time frame, you can spot this is kind of a double bottom that has not been retested yet. So price could also come back in the future, which is very, very, very possible. It will come back in the future to test through this high or test through this double bottom. Then we have price plumbing to the upside. So guys, this is like 2 crazy trades I'm going to be calling out in the next week. And if you want to be a part of this trade, I would like you to join our free Telegram community, which is now open. Because before I used to trade solely off the WhatsApp community, but now the Telegram community is open and fully active once the Christmas period and holiday is over. So guys, for more content like this, I would like you to, of course, like, subscribe, and don't forget to watch the new video I'll be dropping on DXY and, of course, Xauusd, where I'll be showing you guys the banger positions I took towards the Christmas period. So stay positive, guys. Stay locked in on your trading activities, and don't forget to withdraw once you make that profit. Bye.